Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of How to Hack Ethical series. Today I am going to talk about the best security Chrome extensions for 2023. Even though the majority of security Chrome extensions assert to shield your internet privacy, not all suit your requirements. In this video, we will examine the top 10 security Chrome extensions that match your requirements and are packed with features to keep you safe. 1. Ghostery. You can secure your data with a variety of Chrome extensions, but Ghostery is one of the finest at automatically blocking tracker. Without having access to user data, the extension operates quickly and effectively. It disables all tracker of any kind that are added to websites and displays a list of them in the dashboard. Note, you have the option to completely disable the blocking feature for a single website or to unblock tracker on that page. You can allow tracker you trust to access your data while disabling those you don't want to see, including their IP address, location data, browsing history, etc. In general, Ghostery is among your finest solutions for protecting your online data. It is accessible for free via the Chrome Web Store and doesn't need to be set up or configured in advance of use. 2. Netcraft. It operates by monitoring web pages and displaying alerts regarding possible phishing dangers. The extension will display a warning icon in the browser toolbar if you visit a dubious website. This makes it simpler to thwart fraudsters from stealing your identity, data, and devices. You may still determine whether a website is legitimate without downloading the Netcraft extension by entering the website URL into the address bar of your web browser. So that you may be sure the connection between you and the website is safe, the address should thereafter begin with https://. Moreover, keep an eye out for green padlock icons next to the website. Also, never click links from emails or other sources. Instead, always type the website's exact address into your browser. 3. Team password. Businesses and corporations may easily and securely manage their access with the aid of team password. IT managers may create projects, add users, and manage accounts using this effective application. Different staff may be given tasks by your admin, and the platform will notify you when they are all finished. You can check the progress of your projects with Team Password, so you know where you stand with your work. The ability to set permissions is another feature that distinguishes this software. For example, if a project requires specific information from a server, Team Password will make sure that only those with authorization can access it. Once again, it enables organizations to offer access to team members and instantly revoke it if necessary. Using the application, you can effortlessly establish different passwords for each account and distribute them to other individuals inside the company. 4. Avast Antivirus. The finest free security tool to utilize is the Avast Online Security plugin. It is an antivirus extension that guards against malware and viruses. For such a little tool, it also features a web tracking blocker, which is a significant feature. Web tracker are programs that run on websites and gather information about your interactions with them. If you share your credit card information on a banking website or any other website, it can be unsafe. The program prevents these scripts from gathering your personal data. As a result, you can conduct online transactions without concern about their security. Even though it has several shortcomings, we still advise installing it rather than spending money on expensive antivirus software. 5. Adblock Plus. The ability of Adblock Plus to disable scripts that track your online activity is one of its most useful features. This implies that social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter are unable to track your online activities or the websites you visit. Those who are sick of social media networks attempting to make money out of their personal information may appreciate the privacy feature. Moreover, Adblock Plus includes a comprehensive, approved ads policy that permits some advertisements to help publishers and websites whose business models depend on ad revenue. The advantages of filtering internet advertisements are greater than the disadvantages with this extension. Adblock Plus should be installed and turned on if you want to have a more streamlined browsing experience free of pop-up advertising and flashing banners. 6. Windows Defender. Malware attacks have increased by 350% globally since 2020 in total. But thanks to Windows Defender for Chrome, which can shield you from malicious software, phishing scams, and other odd behavior. It automatically searches the background for harmful and suspicious activity and stops unwanted downloads from previously flagged dangerous websites. For instance, it alerts you if you enter personal information or visit a website containing malicious malware. Users can defend themselves against internet attacks that might result in the installation of malware by using tools other than Windows Defender. The security professionals at Microsoft keep it updated. Also, the application has a firewall that will stop hackers from remotely accessing your computer. 7. Disconnect. Nobody likes to cope with identity theft or bank account hacking. Fortunately, there are many substantial editions available to shield you from that. The Chrome Disconnect extension aids in defending you against data collection, malware installation, and malicious advertising. You can get it from the Chrome Web Store, and it can stop third parties from tracking your data using cookies. By preventing social networking sites like Facebook and Twitter from seeing your browsing information even when you are offline, the disconnect preserves your privacy. As it will stop hackers from stealing your data whether you are online or not. This is especially helpful if you use Facebook and Twitter on a mobile device. When utilizing Disconnect, one can prevent the embedding of malware through social media widgets, site jacking, embedded attacks through advertisements, and widget packing. To access sensitive information without knowing passwords, hackers steal cookie data. Install Disconnect as soon as possible on your computer if you wish to access the web safely and securely. 8. Site Jabber. An add-on for Google Chrome called Site Jabber gives prospective online buyers evaluations and commentary on the websites they are thinking about. Once the extension has been installed, you can rapidly activate it by clicking on the tiny shield icon that appears in the upper right corner of your browser after doing so. 9. Click and Clean. We frequently use dozens of passwords across many websites these days. It can be challenging to remember them all, though. On the other hand, we are unsure of where we kept our download history and passwords. They may occasionally seep into the network and cause issues. These issues can be fixed using the Click and Clean Chrome security extension. Users can easily delete everything with a single click. 10. Umatrix. With just a point and click, users of the Umatrix extension can disable scripts, cookies, frames, pictures, and CSS. It has a point-and-click interface that allows users to select what information may and cannot be downloaded to a device. It also facilitates numerous other activities, such as determining which browser are compatible. Also, the add-on is useful for blocking entire websites. Because of this, it's fantastic for companies who forbid their staff from utilizing these websites. Conclusions. In actuality, secure browsing is a continual process rather than an event. Hence, in the days, weeks, and months ahead, we should be on the lookout for potential security vulnerabilities. We may someday need to completely alter our security practices as malware and viruses get more advanced. That's all for today, guys. Hope this video helps. We publish video every week. To stay up to date and aware of such cyber risks, and learn about more hacking tools, consider subscribing to my channel by clicking on the subscribe and bell button on the top right corner of the page. Thanks for watching. See you soon.